Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to do an oil change on this XJ40 91. Let's get under here real quick. Everything is nice and clean, nice and dry, just the way I like it. Pretty straightforward process. The only thing that this car takes about almost 10 fucking quarts of oil, which is a lot. But yeah, let's get started. It's pretty easy, straightforward process. First thing you want to do, of course, is remove your drain plug nut, and your oil filter is up there. Easy peasy. Should be done by like 15 minutes. The nut. It's a. Let me see. It is a. This is the size of it. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty huge. Undo that nut. This all comes off pretty easily. It's got a little washer right there. Make sure you don't lose that. And I think I should be good here as far as positioning this. There we go. Nice. It was a little black, so it does look like it was time to change. I'm gonna let that get busy for a little while. I filled everything, I tightened everything back up, drain plug and oil filter. I went with the STP S2995, I think that's what it's called. Now, a lot of people have a lot of different opinions as to what oil to use. I've gone from semi-synthetic blend 2050 in the summer to right now running 1040 in the winter, conventional. Conventional synthetic, this car was around before synthetic was even invented. I don't think it'll do too much harm to switch between the two. I've asked my master mechanics, no issue at all. So I'm gonna fill up the bad boy with some good old 1040, and I keep my oil changes around 3,000 miles. I don't ever take it any further than that. With synthetic blend, I push it to like maybe 4,500 miles. And again, here's the oil filter I used. And here is the oil. 1040. Keeps my oil pressure nice and steady. Cold start isn't too harsh on it. So we're about to go ahead and start filling her up. And by the time you come back and check this video out, I'll be starting her up. Done. Everything capped off. Solid and good to go. I bypassed my pulley right there for the blower. Air pump for the smog. Everything's cool.